Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you some of my slimes. These are just some of them. Okay. The first one that I'm going to be showing you is this. You it doesn't really show up, but it's a blue slime with purple glitter. It's not one of my best slimes, but yeah, it's not that stretchy. But that's one of my slimes. This slime is the next slime, and it's pretty much metallic, and it's like a yellowish, it's like a orange, it's a really light orange. It's kind of sticky, but it's good. It's a really good slime otherwise. Okay. It's really jiggly. It's really stretchy. Wait. There. It's really stretchy. I don't know if you can see that, but it's like really shiny. I'm gonna do this. Okay. So that was one of my slimes. And this is just for fun. Please don't comment like your slimes are bad or something, which most of them are. This has gotten harder, but it has rainbow foam beads, and it's like a lavender almost. It's really stretchy, and it makes a good swirl. Pokes well, but I love those foam beads. I put J-Cell color in it. It made it really good and stretchy. Okay, this is a purple slime with not sprinkles. This is heart. What is it called? Whatever. Makes a good swirl. So this is a butter slime, I think. Yeah, that's a butter slime. And yeah. Sorry if you hear that noise, it's annoying sometimes. This one is kind of sticky, but there's lots of foam beads. It's like a grayish slime. It has sparkles in it. It's really stretchy though. You can see that. Like, I don't want to hold it, otherwise it'll be hard to get off my hands. Okay. This is how I have to put it in the container, back in the container, otherwise it will not very good. It gets really sticky. Oh, it's actually pretty easy. This is a lime green slime. It's kind of hard to get out of the bag. It's not sticky and it's not hard. Okay, that's all I can get out right now, but there's more. There's supposed to be more. It's like really stretchy. This is one of my favorites. Oh. This is one of my favorites. It's a really pretty lime green. Okay, 2 more slimes to go. Ah, it sticks. It's a table. Oh! I'll do this later. Okay. Just got on the paper, whatever. This one is, I like to snake, can't talk today. I like to say that it's a peppermint, no, a snowflake slime, but it does smell like peppermint. I'm sorry if you can't hear me over all of that stuff. It's a butter slime. It's a really good slime. I wish there was like smell of it so you could smell it. It smells so good. Anyways, I love this slime. That one is a really good slime. Last slime I have is a frog slime. It's green. This is also a butter slime. It's really stretchy. It pokes well. Oh, I just got one of the little hearts in it. Whatever. It's really stretchy. Ooh, I want to make a swirl. At the end I messed it up, but it's like a swirl. So, wait. Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye.